Hello, in this video we are going to discuss how to avoid plagiarism with ChatGPT. Welcome to my new video. In this video I am going to discuss two things. What is the possible way to detect that an assignment or the thesis is written by ChatGPT? And secondly, I am going to discuss how to avoid plagiarism of the text which is written by ChatGPT, and I am going to show you practically. I gave ChatGPT a command to write a note on antimicrobial resistance. In order to check how we can detect that text is written by ChatGPT, I will copy first two paragraphs and then I will paste them again into ChatGPT, and I will ask from ChatGPT that did you write this? And we will see that what is the answer of ChatGPT. Yes, I wrote the text on antimicrobial resistance. Yes, this is the way that someone can detect when you copy directly from ChatGPT. So copy the text, go towards Quillbot, paste the text. This is paraphrasing tool which will remove plagiarism. So the plagiarism has been removed from the text. Copy the paraphrase text, paste it again into ChatGPT, and I'm going to ask, is this text written by you? Let's see what is the answer. No, I didn't write that note on antimicrobial resistance. So this is the way you can avoid plagiarism. Thank you so much for watching.